Another wee change to the programme. We were going to have Margaret Kerr next, but as I say, she's got the flu, and we're going to skip Kenny's next one and go straight on to A Letter Frae Santa. Now, I've not read this yet, and he says to me, "You have to do the first bit." So this is a letter to Santa, and Kenny will continue with a letter from Santa. Santa, I'm wanting a motor scooter, a disc player, a great big computer, a Rolex watch that keeps good time, and a music centre. That would be sublime. That's all I can think of for the new. If there's anything else, I'll contact you. Oh aye, roller boots, some handheld games. Now don't forget your old twit. Signed, James.
Hey, come here. Come here. See you, Jimmy. Got your letter the other day. Oh, the things you want, there's just no way. You must think I'm a millionaire. Take what you get, you'll get nae more. If you're not happy, you can go in a huff. Too bad for you, you greedy sod tough. Everything I want is far over dear. I might not even call on you in this year. You didn't even say please or thank you. There's nobody like you, thank God you're few. Some bairns ask me if hardly a thing. They're happy with what do they have. They're happy with, can't hardly read it myself. They're happy with what to them I bring. I try to give bairns what they like best. They're not greedy like you, you little pest. I might stop at your house on my way back, and I'll get whatever's left in my sack. I'm sending this note without a stamp because I'll let you pay the postage. Signed, Santa Claus.
Well, very good. The first time I've heard that, Kenny, excellent.